Yes, I finally ripped the freaking sticker out. This was annoying me so much, man. Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Men. I hope everyone's well and good. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, we're going to be unboxing another parcel. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but I got a feeling it's my latest Citizen watch, and I'm super hype. So we're going to go ahead and open it up without any delays, because I'm actually very curious to see what's inside here. Oh crap, this is very well wrapped. There's like 1,000 layers of sellotape here. And the dedicated knife is actually struggling to cut through. But no job is too tough for a dedicated knife, ladies and gentlemen. It's simply a matter of time. I was gonna cut in my direction, but that's never a good shout. Always cut away from you. So when this happens, you don't stab yourself. Good advice from one psychopath to another. I'm not a psychopath, or at least that I'm aware of. But there was a guy here on YouTube who said I had psychopathic vibes, and saying this, holding a knife in my hand, is not the greatest example, but hey, let bygones be bygones. Anyway, back to this parcel. I'm 99% sure this is a watch, because I don't remember ordering anything else that has this shape. Yeah, boy, it's still in the box. We got a Citizen box. And as you can see, this is a quartz watch. Oh, what a beautiful timepiece. I'm actually gonna flip the camera so you guys can see this too, and I'm gonna pretend I'm opening the box for the first time. Look at this watch. I believe this is a lady's watch, but I really like the format of these watches. They're really classy. This particular watch here is not working. Or is it? No, I think we need to put a new battery in this watch. But it's in beautiful condition. I've actually zoomed in because this camera allows you to see the details in better condition. And here we are. We got the back of the watch here. I can't quite read what it says through the camera, so I need to zoom a little bit more. It says Citizen Watch, Base Metal, YP. Then I believe we got the model number. And it's a water resistant watch. It's quartz operated. This is the dial of the watch. It's a Citizen Noblia, and it was made in Japan. It's got a quartz movement, like I said 1,000 times. Here on the side we got a crown. That's pretty much the only thing we have here on the watch in terms of buttons. And wait, I want to see if the day flips. Yeah, the day feature works. I just changed the day, and it changes to the side instead of vertically, which is quite cool. The bracelet looks pretty much brand new to me. The watch still has a tag, although I don't think... Oh, this is a Citizen tag. Exclusive collection. That's cool. Anyway, we're gonna remove the tag here. There we go. We're actually gonna keep the box and the tag in case I ever want to sell the watch. But it's such a nice watch that I think I'm gonna wear it. Look at this. It's got a clasp very similar to the Rada watch, which now I know how to operate. How do you open the strap? Technically, I'm one YouTube video away from learning everything, but I'm kind of in the midst of recording one. So I don't really want to use my phone to Google this, but I have to. I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. This took me a while, but all you have to do is pull this clamp here and kablam! Let there be watch. Although the radar watch is still not working, I took it to the jewelers to get the battery swapped, but it turns out someone tried to open the watch before and actually messed it up. So we're gonna have to get it serviced, and yeah, that's gonna be an adventure for the future. I'm just gonna take out my Invicta here and see how this watch looks on the wrist. Man, I know how the clasp works, but I'm still not a pro at operating it. So thank you for bearing with me, guys. Oh, it's a little bit too loose, but that's okay. I can remove a few links. And on my wrist, it looks gorgeous. Would you look at that? What a classy watch, man. It looks freaking gorgeous. I'm just gonna remove the watch here to have a look at the links. But they feel really sturdy, and that is cool. So we don't have solid links in this watch, although this piece here in the middle seems to be a solid piece that will then link with this solid link. I never actually seen this before. I don't know if I should consider these solid links or not, but these here in the back are removable, and that's what we're gonna remove. Actually, I'm gonna spend a minute here trying to figure out how to remove these links. I probably need to unscrew this and then push it down. So we're gonna see if that works out in a little bit. But to finish our video here, this is the Citizen Noblia. I picked up this watch for 47 euros, and it's in pretty good condition, man. I don't feel like this watch saw a lot of wrist time, and I'm gonna give it the wrist time it deserves. Here it is, actually. We're currently taking the Citizen watch to the watchmaker, and hopefully we'll be able to swap the battery and adjust the strap for me, because I'm not able to do this at home with the tools that I have available at my disposal. I just came back from the watchmakers and I adjusted the Citizen to my wrist size. Also, I got a new battery in it and it's running. I'm gonna show you guys this because it's really cute. Yeah, cute is the right word, because this is such a tiny watch that it's just cute, man. Okay, so here we have the Citizen watch, and as you guys can see, it works! Whenever they arrive still and they're not automatic, it's always a little bit of a gamble to see if the watch will work or not. And this time I actually won the gamble. The watch is in perfect condition, and I think it's such a beautiful timepiece, man. Look at this. This watch looks beautiful on my wrist. Would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? It's so simple, but elegant simultaneously. I can't explain it. I really like this watch. Beautiful piece. I think this watch is so beautiful that I don't mind it being quartz. And as you guys can see, it will hit the marker. Look. There's no minute markers, but it hits the hour markers every single time. There you go. So it's a quality quartz movement. There you go. And another marker. So yeah, I'm really happy with this movement as well. This pretty much brings us to the very end of this video. I want to thank you for sticking with me up until the very end, and I hope you have enjoyed chilling here with me for a little bit. On that note, I'm gonna love you and leave you to have the rest of an amazing day. This is your boy, logging out. Peace.